What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and as cameras continue to innovate, instant film cameras are considered as one of the classics with more functionality, taking the word instant to another level. Now, we've seen hybrid cameras and instant printers from Instax already, but what sets the Leeplay apart is not only that it has a dedicated app for its own model, but it's also because it can record audio instantly. You get 3 more shortcut buttons, you can focus on your subject real close up to 10 centimeters, and its firmware is updatable. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So here's the box, and opening it up, we get the manuals and warranty right away. Under that are the wrist strap and micro USB cable. Then finally, we get the unit itself. So as you can see, the ergonomics of this Leeplay is something refreshing from Instax. First of all, it's smaller, lighter, and it goes for a more elegant aesthetic. The unit we have is in the stone white color, and there's also a blush gold and elegant black option if you're interested. Up front, you won't miss the main lens with an LED flash, and a small mirror which makes it easier for people to take selfies with. Then, there's the shutter button and the new dedicated button for activating audio recordings. Unfortunately, unlike the Instax SQ20, the Leeplay doesn't have a zoom ring, so you'll have to zoom into photos in post. Meanwhile, at the back, there's a monitor, easy navigation buttons, and of course, the film door. Its internal storage can let you keep up to 45 images, but you can take numerous shots and specifically select certain ones you want to print out. There's also a micro SD card slot on the left side together with 3 frame shortcut buttons which you can customize through the dedicated app. You'll also find the power button, microphone, and speaker here. On the right is a hole for your strap, while at the bottom is the lone micro USB port. Lastly, on top is of course where the instant film prints out. It's pretty simple to get around this device, especially when you use the dedicated app called Mini Leeplay, which is available for both Android and iOS. You can take a lot of photos without worrying you'll print a bad one, and it's got a lot of quirky features like built-in frames, filters, and let's not forget about that audio bonus wherein the camera records up to 10 seconds of audio while you take a shot, and you can print out the photo with a QR code so you can listen to it in the app. What I like about it is how fast the app syncs with the camera via Bluetooth. Usually, Instax's uses Wi-Fi for connectivity, but surprisingly, Bluetooth performs a little faster. You can pick a photo from your phone and instantly print it with a few taps. There's also a remote shooting feature that allows users to control the camera through the app, which can be extremely helpful when setting the camera up on a tripod without having somebody there to take the shot. The Instax Mini Leeplay uses the smallest film size available, that's the 86x54mm film size, and this is what it looks like. Whoa! It's what they do in the movies, right? But the truth is, this actually doesn't do anything. Yeah. Come out! I mean, that's the film size. I wanted the picture to come out though. Alright, so the Instax Leeplay is priced at 9,999 pesos, inclusive of a micro SD card and a pack of film. So, is this your next Christmas gift to yourself? Let us know what you guys think about this guy in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.